Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you find me here at the Royal Engineers Museum situated in Gillingham in Kent, and I'm here for their annual model show. So they've got model cars, model planes, loads of military, a few model trains. There's even going to be a few sci-fi dioramas here. So join me as I take you around the Medway model show. So over here guys, we have the Hornsby Patent Safety Oil Engine, 1900. So it was used by the Royal Engineers before World War I, and it was used as a stationary engine for driving generators or machinery. So yeah, like I said guys, we're here at the Royal Engineers Museum in Gillingham, and I have to admit, I've lived in Medway, God knows how long. My folks have lived in Medway for a good 20 plus years. Never ever visited this place at all. What an impressive collection they've got. I mean, outside you've just seen there the tanks and the military vehicles they've got outside, and then obviously we're here for the model show, and from what I've just seen, the model show looks absolutely incredible. So join me and I'll take you around a few of the exhibits.
Put it in context. The thing is, you could put that on a drag and go around. Do I want to do that? I don't just choose one of your vehicles.
Yeah. No, it's a long time.
I've been looking at buying buildings. I think it depends what you want.
I'm into railways and you just have to understand people who saw the whole unit together. It's all over the place. It's a lot of scratch building.
Oh, right.
Have these working phases. No, you don't know her, she does. It's just one of those things.
It's a lovely one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Working on anything at the moment? That's nice. Nice size. It's a model room.
One room's back room on the table, on the dining table.
Oh,
Now
yeah.
I'm allowed half of it. The rest of the dining table's got to be a dining table.
Oh yeah, that's a nice situation. Yes. But I can't have it all the time. Yeah.
Great. Started one with one.
Yeah. Yeah, or small. Stuff unrolled it all in, do some rolling in the yard, go down the middle in the yard, or up the wild yard.
Doesn't fit perfectly. However, from what's in the photographs, we don't. That's been taken for. I think I might have been given an extra. That's a hobby boss one, That's a hobby boss one, yeah.
What's the reason? It's a scoop. Yeah. So we're going to have 3 screws and yeah, well, it's in the morning, yeah. Probably go back. Well, a bit like skips. They are skips.
Is that your cock?
It's my cockatoo, then.
That's for the bush flying competition.
Oh, yeah.
Well, sort of. He's asking, Nick didn't put anything into it. So he would, no, because it was bush flying, but he didn't turn up. So I don't know why.
Another one was competition.
They were all
He's having one of his panther, got a lot of panthers. Anything I can chuck on a panther, and on a crop panther. So the turtle spins around the world on top. That'd be ready for the next year's show. Yeah, that one there. What colour?
Yeah. Shrewsbury's just up the road.
It's testing you. How big is it?
So yeah, so far, generally a good show. You have to be into your tanks and your planes. Luckily I'm into the planes, so there's loads and loads to look for. A few Star Wars things actually here as well, which is always nice to see. But yeah, no trains here, but like I say, it's lucky that I'm into everything else. You know, there's so many amazing models here that I actually completely forgot for a second I'm inside a museum or do military history, all engineers. So what I'll do is I'll have a quick little brief look around the museum now. Ah, literally as I say that, there actually is a model railway layout here. Doesn't look like it's operational though, which is a bit of a shame. So it's actually loosely based off two ports that the Royal Engineers built in Scotland. So this is a picture of steam locomotive number 8233. So it's built in 1940 and sent to Persia, 1941, and then after the war returned to Britain where it served on the railways until 1968. It's now preserved at the Severn Valley Railway. So this is a picture of the War Department's 210 War Department Austerity Gordon. It was built in Glasgow in 1943. And then if you look down here, you do have its sister locomotive, Kitchener's nameplate. So here I've managed to find the only steam engine in the whole museum. So this is the Howe portable steam engine, and it was built in 1823 by the Royal Engineers. So this one here is an Ashanti steam sapper, and it is stated to be the first traction engine to be used in active service in 1873 to 1874. So yeah, that's been my trip here to the Medway Model Show, situated at the Royal Engineers Museum here in Gillingham. Really, really good show. If you're into your tanks and your military vehicles and especially planes, really worth checking out. It is on tomorrow as well. But I get the impression it's annually anyway. It's been going on for quite a few years. I've never heard of it before, but yeah, really well worth a visit. Very minimal, if no trains at all, sadly, but we did find a model railway layout, and we did find a steam engine and a couple of models of traction engines, which was cool. And like I say, I'm into planes anyway, so it's always worth it. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier in the video, it is £14 admission for an adult to the museum, so they don't just do a separate ticket for the events, but essentially what that means is it's admission to the event and the museum, and it's valid for 12 months, so any other event throughout the year you could attend, just keep a hold of that ticket. But yeah, that's been another trip out. I really hope you've enjoyed that. Like I say, no trains, but it's something different. Let me know as well if it's maybe something you'd like to see on the channel going forward, maybe something a little bit different other than trains or not. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.